Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Successful Business Guide. Today, we're diving into a topic that has been gaining a lot of attention in recent years: organic cotton versus regular cotton. What's the difference, and is one really better than the other? Let's break it down. At first glance, cotton is cotton, right? It looks and feels the same, but the way it's grown, processed, and its impact on the environment can be very different. Let's start with regular cotton. Regular cotton, also known as conventional cotton, is one of the most widely grown crops in the world. However, it's a water-intensive crop and is often grown with the help of synthetic chemicals like pesticides, insecticides, and fertilizers. In fact, around 16% of the world's pesticides are used on cotton alone. While these chemicals help increase cotton yields and reduce pest damage, they can have significant environmental consequences. Pesticides can contaminate soil and water, and long-term exposure can harm farm workers and nearby communities. Plus, the processing of conventional cotton often involves harsh chemicals, like bleachers and dyes, which can further pollute water systems and lead to irritations for people who wear the final product. On the other hand, organic cotton is grown without synthetic pesticides, fertilizers, or genetically modified seeds. Instead, organic farming relies on natural techniques like crop rotation, composting, and biological pest control. This helps maintain healthier soil and supports greater biodiversity. Organic cotton farms use significantly less water because the soil retains moisture better. And because they avoid synthetic chemicals, organic cotton farming also reduces water pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. When we compare the two, organic cotton clearly has a smaller environmental footprint. It helps protect ecosystems, conserves water, and promotes safer working conditions for farmers. But there's a catch. Organic cotton tends to be more expensive, and the yields are often lower, meaning it takes up more land to produce the same amount. So, while it's more eco-friendly, it may not always be the most accessible option for everyone. So, what's the verdict? If you're looking to reduce your environmental impact and support sustainable practices, organic cotton is the better choice. It's better for the planet and better for the people who produce it. However, regular cotton is often more affordable and widely available. So, if organic isn't an option for you, look for clothing made from regular cotton that's certified under initiatives like the Better Cotton Initiative, BCI, which aims to make cotton production more sustainable. At the end of the day, both organic and regular cotton have their pros and cons. The key is making informed decisions that align with your values and budget. Thanks for watching.